police car was just a Honda Civic with the word police
Whoa!
painted on
Oh!
Police comes up on a tricycle.
What the fuck? Watch it! Ew! Now that was just uncalled for.
Who do you think is the best singer on
Jeez.
She's nice. What the fuck, dude?
What the hell? Yeah, I got like this much length. Like I got a fairly like.
Nice, dude.
Gypsy woman will go on a wedding day. And tell her I will go like you love Satan's stone.
Fucking dumbass.
Watch out, object on road ahead.
Which raises
Nice.
this question. Mind-blowing, and if he's not, maybe it'll be entertaining. I would pay for that kind of show, and I like to think I'm not mentally ill.
Solid. Fuck, man. Clean that stuff off. Get the fuck over, lady. That truck is... Holy shit.
So, to take an example, according to the Associated Press, today, corporate America is quickly distancing itself from President Trump and his Republican allies, with many of the biggest names in business.
Biochemical engineering. Stupid. This fuckhead. No, 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 no. Okay. That's the wrong way.
Damn it! And it throws its book club at you specifically, Henry. I'm gonna roll for it.
Well, I don't think it was a robin.
It's too late. You already cheated. But you...
Oh!